Wix versus Wix Studio, which is more worth it. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Wix and Wix Studio. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Wix. Wix is a beginner friendly website builder that allows users to build websites using drag and drop tools without needing any coding skills. Pros of Wix: easy to use for beginners, large collection of templates, app market for added functionality, built-in SEO and marketing tools, good for personal and small business websites. Cons of Wix: limited customization for developers. Template switching is not allowed once selected. Less suited for complex design workflows. Now, let's talk about Wix Studio. Wix Studio is a newer, more advanced platform built for professionals and agencies who need greater control and design flexibility. Pros of Wix Studio: advanced design capabilities with responsive control, powerful CMS for dynamic content, better workflow tools for teams and agencies, built in collaboration features, ideal for larger projects and client work. Cons of Wix Studio: steeper learning curve, overkill for simple websites, fewer templates compared to standard Wix. So that's basically the main differences are between Wix and Wix Studio, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.